Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can enable the PiP mode or the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube app on your Android phone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to enable YouTube PiP mode or the picture-in-picture mode on Android. So as you can see, in my case, I'm currently viewing YouTube on the picture-in-picture mode. I could go ahead and open any apps. I could drag this and resize it to any part of the screen which you want. And this is a video from the YouTube app itself. So I will show you how you can also enable the YouTube picture-in-picture mode on Android as like mine, which you can see. The very first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and simply open the settings app on our Android. So we are going to go ahead and launch the settings app. Once you launch the settings app, you want to scroll through and find the option called apps. So once you find apps, simply tap on it. As you tap on apps, here you want to go ahead and look for YouTube. So it is generally going to be at the bottom of the screen if you've set up your app list in the alphabetical order. So go ahead and simply tap on the YouTube option. As soon as you tap on YouTube, here you want to actually scroll down and you'll find this option which says picture in picture. So all you have to do is tap on it and then make sure that it is set to allow and turn this toggle on. The next thing you also want to make sure is that you have to enable this option which says appear on top. This generally means that it allows the YouTube app to appear on top of other apps and devices. Now the other thing we're going to do is we're still not done yet. There is still a setting within the YouTube app which we want to customize in order to enable the PiP mode. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the YouTube app. As you can see, once you launch the YouTube app, what you could do is from the very top right hand corner, you want to simply tap on your profile icon. As you tap on your profile icon, here you'll find the option which says settings. So all you have to do is tap on the settings option. Over here again at the top, you'll find the option which says general. So go ahead and simply tap on the general tab. As soon as you tap on general, here you want to scroll through and look right over here halfway down the bottom. You have this option which says picture in picture. You can see it says tapping the home button while watching continuous playback in a miniature player on top of other apps. So you want to go ahead and simply make sure that this toggle right over here is currently turned on. And let me also show you whether this works or not. So I will go ahead and simply open a random video, as you can see in this case. Now if I exit and then come back to my home screen, you can still see that the video is being played on my device. And this is how you can enable the PiP mode on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.